consumer goods industry has witnessed a continued dramatic evolution in the recent years, marked by digital disruption, rise in customer expectations, and the growth of digitally native challenger brands. It is imperative for brands to focus on customer experience and operational agility to survive and thrive in this new, unpredictable future. But the absence of the right systems and processes presents multiple challenges. Content acceleration requires rethinking work management, so brands can drive the efficiency and scale they need. That's where Adobe can make a difference. Adobe Workfront, Adobe Experience Manager Assets, and Adobe Creative Cloud can together help accelerate your transformation by empowering your teams with a better, faster, and efficient way of working together. Workfront streamlines the entire work lifecycle, from content creation and storage to distribution, and creates one connected system to improve the efficiency of a project, campaign, or even product innovation lifecycle. Let's see how Workfront, Experience Manager Assets, and Creative Cloud accelerate and optimize a new product launch campaign. Joan is the marketing manager with a consumer goods brand and kicks off the campaign in Workfront with budget allocation. She can then use configurable templates to create a task list, assign tasks to her team members, and monitor their progress without even having to send an email or pick up the phone. She initiates a request to create a product label and assigns it to Rick, a graphic designer on her team. Rick can see all his task notifications in the Creative Cloud app he is using. He can open the brief, work on the product label, and upload it for review and approval. This allows him to be more productive and stay connected with others working on the same campaign without switching apps. Workfront provides a shared workspace for different stakeholders across marketing, creative, and legal to review, add comments, and approve an asset, thus minimizing rework and reducing completion time. The final approved asset can be tagged with relevant metadata and sent to Experience Manager for archival, reuse, and distribution. Experience Manager Assets ensure controlled access by role or function. It allows users to quickly find existing assets using metadata and repurpose them in a different size, format, or language without distorting the brand, and share with internal teams, regional stakeholders, retail partners, and others within the value chain. Workfront's robust reporting provides real-time insights into projects, campaigns, and resources to enable informed decision-making. And that's not all. It connects seamlessly with your other business-critical applications such as product information management, social media management, email and multi-channel marketing, and programmatic advertising tools through a tight integration, giving your teams a single, connected solution to manage and deliver great work. This ensures your assets are accurate, channel-ready, and meet the requirements of every platform you syndicate to, whether it is a social media platform, wholesale commerce, or a marketplace. This is how Adobe technology can empower consumer goods companies to strengthen control over the end user's experience of their brand by transforming collaboration across the value chain, increasing content velocity, enabling asset management and distribution, syndication, and much more.